Hey, um, just wanted to make this video. I sound like some of those awkward people who want to start a video poorly. Uh, I ended up having to give away my dog to animal control. She might have had rabies. Um, Beyond that, I I've been dealing with depression a lot. I thought about recording through my laptop, but I tried messing with it and it doesn't seem like it'll work. My hair's a mess. I don't know what to do. I I find little reason to keep going in life. I don't have a lot of meaning left in continuing to keep going. I lost my dog, and beyond that, my sleep schedule ended up switching over, and now I'm awake at night and I'm asleep during the day. So all I see is the darkness whenever I go outside. I don't know what to do. I tried asking for help on Facebook, and they seem to be giving some advice that helps, but it it doesn't change how I feel. I feel horrible. I feel like this dark, deep depression of loneliness, of just pain. I don't think anybody's going to be watching this. It's just some mad man screaming on a phone about how terrible he feels. I thought this would help. I'll try and do something else. Try to get my mind off of it like I usually do. If you are watching, thank you. Though I doubt, because the time already exceeded for this video to be a short, so it's going to be a full video, so it's going to have 0 views because it's not a short. I wish people would see this. I wish people would reach out and help. I hope somebody comes and helps me. Thanks for watching. That's rather depressing, but Thank you for watching.